Okay, on 74 we have another solution to the system of equations question, and we're given these two equations here. Earlier, if you watched the video, we had a graph of two systems of equations. We said the coordinate pair where they intersect would be the solution. This time we're given the two equations only, and we are given four answer choices. I would tell you that the easiest way to do these is you can do substitution, method, eliminate, graphing. There's a lot of different strategies we can have, but when we're given the answer choices, the way I would do is I would plug in the x value into the equation. Remember, in our order pairs, we have the x first and then the y, and I would plug them in and see which one works. And it has to work for both equations in order for it to be a solution to the system of equations. So I would take answer choice A. I plug in 1 for x, so 1 equals y would be 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1, so 1 equals 1. That is true. And so then I would look and plug that into the next equation. So I plug in 1 for x, so I'd have 1 plus 3 times 4. 4 is y. So 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. And so it works for both equations. So if it works for both equations, then it has to be the solution to the system of equations. Now, the way you would get the incorrect answer in choosing B is that you would get your X and Y's backwards, and you would plug in 4 and thinking that was your Y value and plugging that in and 1 here and treating that as your X value. So if you got them backwards, that's how you would get that one wrong. But just plug them in and evaluate, and they should equal each other, and they should work in both equations. And that's the simplest, most straightforward way to solve those on a multiple choice type test.